Hello.
Alright, so now it's Julia's turn. Because her eyes are a different shape, this is a way to see kind of somebody with a bigger brow bone and a little bit smaller lid. So Julia already has her contour on.
Well, my highlight is on point. Like,
Hello?
Dad?
So, Julia has a little bit more expensive makeup. What we're going to use is her Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics. And we're going to go in and find a neutral shade. This is called Commando. So you're going to go in. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to cover the entire lid with whatever nude you need. Make sure you're tapping off the excess so you're not getting too much. So make sure with this, you're going to get it all the way up to the brow bone, right underneath the brows, so that you're covering the entire space of the eye. So she has a different type of brush to get into the cut crease. This one is a little bit smaller. This is what you use for the black. Here's this. You see it? Yeah, I'm a beauty blogger. Yeah. You're gonna go in with your black. You're gonna get it just on the tip. And then you're gonna go in. And as with Becca, she couldn't put it right on her crease, but with Julia, you can actually put it right on the crease because her eyebrow bone is bigger. You can kind of see if you look closer.
See, this is where my crease is.
So you can actually go in to her actual crease, get in there. Do not use it generously. Start off a little bit and then build it from there because black is very dangerous.
As we all know.
Just make sure you make a nice line where the crease is. Made a nice little line.
Am I pretty yet?
Yeah? Hello? What is going on?
Kira, stop.
In the name of love.
Before you... Oh. We stopped.
Yes, so now we're going to take a fluffy brush, which is not the one that Julia usually uses. So you're going to use this. It's a fluffy brush. Your red.
And waterfall downs. What is it?
Waterfalls downs. And you're gonna go right above where you made that black, almost covering up the black, but don't cover it up all the way. All the way to the brow bone. This is mixing in kind of the black and the red. Yeah, it's all about fall. Make sure you're getting like a good red, a nice kind of solid red, so that when you go back and clean it up, it can meld into everything. Then you're gonna go in the white that Julie is using. Naked Urban Decay this is a full palette. We're gonna use this one right here, which is the white. It's called 13. You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna get it on that tip. We're gonna go up above, and you're gonna do it to the other eye. So we did the white on top. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back in and you're gonna clean up all of the fallout. You clean up all underneath. And then you're gonna go back through with your nude again. So instead of just the one nude, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this lighter nude. I'm gonna put it on the lid right underneath the black. Okay, we're gonna go with the Stila. Make sure you tap it off a little bit. You're gonna go through just where you put that nude. Wow. Alright, we're gonna wait for it to dry. Are you dry yet?
At least it wasn't expensive stuff.
So after they are dry, Julia is going to show you how she does her eyes. Julia does it a little bit different because of her eye shape.
So I start with my eyeliner on top. I like to use Sephora Waterproof Colorful Wink It Felt Liner.
Wink it.
About $15 at Sephora. So what I do, start with my right. I'm gonna have to do it like... So that's a bit of a less dramatic wing. It's still dark, but it's not as long. So I filled in my eyeliner on this side and I put the wing on this side. So I like to grab my eye and pull it tight like that. Kira's talking to her cat, in case you're wondering. There we go. Alright, now what I do is we're gonna do a bottom eyeliner. This is from Smith's. It's called Essence. It was about $149. You're gonna go in and connect. I like to go all the way to about here where your tear duct goes up and then the corner of your eye starts. That's where I like to go just because it gives me more eye shape, makes my eyes look bigger. All right. Becca put put black in her waterline. I put black underneath and I get a white and I put it on my waterline. And this brightens your eyes and gives your eyes the illusion of being more awake and big. Makeup is literally all about illusion.
Got to make them think that you're beautiful.
Yes, because you are not. Just kidding. A lot of you are. Actually, all of you are. Even the men. You guys are beautiful too. Okay, so now I'm taking the red. I'm putting it on the brush that Kira used for the crease. You put the red there and you just go in, putting just a little bit underneath. With an eye shape that's small normally, it's okay to extend out farther than where you think is okay. But not like farther than is not okay. Because then you just look like a freak, like with pink eye or something. And then you take your Stila. So basically, if you're doing my kind of eyeliner, you put the Stila to where you finish the eyeliner and just a bit underneath to kind of give it the illusion of like blending in. Oh my god, I'm crying. It's just so... I'm using eyelash curler. I don't know where I got it from. It's fine because it's like 40 years old. And I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So you go in. This is where it's okay to look stupid because I look like a dirt. Accurate.
I want you to get excited about your life, Julia.
And make sure you put mascara on the bottom because that'll also widen your eyes more. It's all about the illusion. Finished product with the eyes. I'm just gonna show you really fast some lip stuff. So first, for me, I want to line my lips. I overline because I like to look like Kendall Jenner. Who has the better lips? Kylie. So you want to line the bottom like you're in the 90s, and then you're gonna want to kind of color in a little bit. Okay, top lip is a little bit harder than the bottom lip because you have a Cupid's bow. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to start at the top and draw a line down like that. And then you want to go start at the top of this side. And then if the X is fairly even, you are doing it right. And then you just line where your lip goes naturally. Ta-da! And then you just want to color in a little bit like I did a her. Because believe it or not, you can contour your lips like this. Also, this lip pencil is from Rimmel, London. Not Rimmel.
That's what I keep calling it.
And it is in the color of the Red Diva. Now I'm gonna use this Smashbox in this color called Legendary. So this is gonna go on and it's gonna look satin, shiny. It's gonna look shiny. But I'll show you a trick. So you see how this is slightly shiny? There is a product that you can get if you really can't find a red lipstick that's matte. This is a beautiful product called Instamatte. What this does is it will matte any lipstick you have. So you get a little on your finger.
Unless it's metallic.
Yeah, it won't matte metallic. It'll matte a cream lipstick. And you apply it. You really don't need that much either. And ta-da! Your lips are matte. So there you go. Tune in next week for more fun and games by Bakilia doing Jamaica from the Chamber Choir.
Oh, BB.
Oh, BB. Bye, guys.